What is going on, true believers? Guys, you know, there's certain cryptos that I talk about all the time, and I'm bullish on them, even if I'm not partnered with them and talking about them constantly. That I think that there's just a moment in time where it's going to surge. I think something big is about to happen, you know, things like that. Well, I got one right now. I did partner with these guys. You'll remember I partnered with these guys before for the purpose of making a video, and I want to point out today, because guess what? It is pumping right now. And if you get started right now, you might be able to get in early enough to make something happen. Now, I'm going to show you, make sure you hit the like button on the way in, but get in quick. I'm going to put this video out. I'm actually filming this at about 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. I'm going to post this immediately. Normally I wait for certain periods of time to make posts, but this one I want you guys to see right away. Okay. They have bottomed out right now. And look, what you're looking for on these charts, this is exactly what you're looking for when you're looking for a crypto chart. You always ask me, like, is this a good entry position? Well, let me show you what the perfect entry position looks like. First of all, let's talk community. 4.5, there's 4.5K holders. Okay, so you got 4,500 holders. That's a community. That's a pretty good community. That's nice to see. You've got about $500,000 in liquidity. You got about $6.5 million market cap. You see this big spike in price. It's up about 80% on the day. So 69.21% in the last 24 hours to be specific. But that's exactly what it's up so far, but it hasn't broken out. Here's where it gets interesting. The top over here is a $45 million market cap. You're currently sitting at a $6.5 million market cap. To me, that seems like an easy 8x from here, considering that it's probably going to go back to its all-time high. Okay. Now, what am I looking for? What's the perfect setup? Well, perfect setup is a fair launch. Check. Perfect setup is a double top. Check. Perfect setup is a full consolidation down to the bottom. Check. Okay. This is what we've gotten. And look, what do I tell you guys all the time? I tell you that when you get that full on move, you got to move to the 236, which we never saw. Or you can make an argument that that happened and it continued to accelerate. Well, if that's the case, remember, there's two scenarios that are breaking right here. That first scenario is that, you know, perhaps, that already happened. So we had the big run up, we had the move down into the 618, we had a big test up here at 236, but it broke out, then it came back down for a retest. Now, what do I tell you happens when that happens? Well, what I normally tell you is that you better grab yourself an extension tool over here and start looking at, well, where is the next spot? As it zooms out over here, where is the next spot? Well, the next spot is going to be on this line right here. So what I'm telling you is that it is my estimation that this thing is about to break out and get up here into the 10-cent range. Right now, it's currently trading at 206.577. Now, in the event it were to go to that 618 level, okay, now let's talk market cap. What would that be? So in terms of market cap, about 100 million market cap, it looks like is going to be the next move. And look, that makes perfect sense. Why does it make perfect sense? Go back in time, look at 40 million market caps and see that how often they end up spiking their way back up to 100 million market cap. If it goes to 20 million market cap, you see a 60 million market cap. If it goes to 40 million market cap, you see 100 million market cap. It just seems like that's the way that it works with all of these meme coins. So I have a feeling that it's going to do a fantastic number. Now, not only that, but I told you about community first. Now I'm going to tell you they have a dev team. The dev team has continued to work right now. They're doing a game called Speedy Run. It's going to be a racing game. It's going to have events, competitions, very nice prizes and pools. They're also going to do charity work. They're currently getting clean water to the Bakuma village in Nigeria right now. It's a big project. They were very proud of the project. Go reach out into their Telegram and ask them to talk to you about that if you are so inclined. The top holders have been holding along with the team. I mean, you know, you look at the liquidity, you look at everything that's going into it right now, and you got to be kind of excited when you see a pump like this. Now, also they're doxed, and Rabbitoshi, who is the developer, he's been on several YouTube channels like Finance Freeman, Seprol, and they continue to get support from some like big names. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Why are you screwing up your life? You, my friend, should have some Speedy the Turtle. I told you guys before, just to close this out and put a fine point on it, what I told you before is that Speedy is like Turbo. Turbo is a $1 billion market cap. Turbo is a turtle meme project. Speedy is probably the number 2 turtle meme project, only 6.5 million market cap right now. So I would venture to say that there is a real possibility here that Speedy goes crazy, okay? And we might be witnessing the breakout today. We might actually be watching it happen right now. We might be seeing the start of it. So grab yourself a bag. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And remember, it's not financial advice, but I'm always right.